Hello, Tom. I am Anna, your agent.
Hi, Anna. It is nice to meet you.
This building is very old. It has much history.
The red bricks look beautiful. I like this style.
The street is very quiet. There are no cars.
That is perfect for me. I need peace.
There is a bakery nearby. It is very popular.
I love fresh bread. The smell is wonderful.
Are you ready to go? The flat is upstairs.
Yes, I am ready. Is there an elevator?
Yes, but it is small. Let's take the stairs.
I like the stairs. It is good exercise.
The stairs are very clean. We have a janitor.
The building looks very neat. I like that.
Here is the door. It is number 7.
7 is my lucky number. That is great.
I have the keys here. They are silver.
My heart is beating fast. I am excited.
Don't be nervous, Tom. This flat is lovely.
I hope it is big. I have a sofa.
It has a lot of space. You will see.
Oh, it is very bright.
There are many big windows. The sun is inside.
The walls are very white. They look new.
We painted them last week. Everything is fresh.
The floor is light wood. It is beautiful.
Please come inside, Tom. Take off your shoes.
Yes, of course. I have my socks.
Let's look at the room. It is huge.
I am walking in now.
This is the main room. It is very spacious.
It is very large. My sofa fits here.
What color is your sofa? Is it gray?
No, it is dark blue. It is soft.
Blue will look great here. The light is good.
Can I put a TV? I love movies.
Yes, there are many sockets. You have options.
I will put it there, near the wall.
The ceiling is very high. It feels airy.
I feel very comfortable here. It is nice.
There's a heater too. It works well.
Is the apartment warm? I hate the cold.
It is very warm. The windows are double.
That is good for winter. London is cold.
We have a new thermostat. You can control it.
I like modern technology. It is very easy.
My tablet helps me too. It is very fast.
I know a girl named Anna. She is helpful.
Anna is a common name. We are kind.
Yes, you are very kind. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Tom. Look at the view.
I am going to the window. It is big.
Can you see the trees? They are green.
Yes, the park is beautiful. It is close.
You can run there. It is very safe.
I like to run. It makes me healthy.
The air is very fresh. No smoke here.
I am a lucky man. This is perfect.
Now look at the kitchen. Follow me, please.
I am coming with you.
The window is very strong. It blocks noise.
I can't hear the street. It is silent.
That is because the glass is thick. It is quality.
Can I open it? I like fresh air.
Yes, it opens easily. Just push the handle.
The breeze is very nice. It feels cool.
You can see the cafe. It is downstairs.
Oh, they have red chairs. It looks cute.
They have great coffee. You will love it.
I will buy coffee there every single morning.
The birds are singing now. Can you hear?
Yes, it is very peaceful. I feel relaxed.
You have no neighbors across, only the trees.
Privacy is very important. I like my space.
There are curtains too. They are light gray.
I like the curtains. They match the room.
If you are happy, I am happy. This is home.
Not yet. I must see the kitchen first.
The kitchen is right here. It is small.
Small is fine for me. I live alone.
It is very modern. Everything is built in.
Does it have a fridge? I have milk.
Yes, the fridge is here. It is behind wood.
Oh, it is hidden. That is very clever.
It makes the kitchen look neat. It is style.
I see the sink now. It is shiny.
It is stainless steel. It is very durable.
I will cook pasta tonight if I stay.
I think you will stay. You look happy.
You are a good detective, Anna.
Here is the stove. It is very fast.
Is it gas or electric? I prefer electric.
It is electric. It is very easy to clean.
That is perfect. I hate cleaning the stove.
There is a dishwasher too. It is small.
I love dishwashers. They save so much time.
You only need one tablet. It is very simple.
My tablet is for work. This is different.
Yes, don't put your iPad in here.
I am not that silly. I promise, Anna.
The cupboards have much space. You have plates?
I have white plates and some blue mugs.
Put them on these shelves. They will fit.
I see the oven now. Can I bake?
Yes, you can bake pizza or maybe a cake.
I am not a baker, but pizza's good.
There is a small table. You can eat here.
It is a wooden table. It is very cozy.
You can have 2 chairs for you and a friend.
Maybe Emma will visit. She is my manager.
Invite her for tea. The kettle is new.
I will buy a new kettle, a green one.
Green is your favorite color. I can see.
Yes, I love my green shirt. It's lucky.
Luck is on your side. Look at the bedroom.
I am excited to see it. Is it quiet?
It is the quietest room. It faces the garden.
That is exactly what I need. I sleep well.
Let's walk to the bedroom. Follow the hall.
I am going there now.
Before we continue, let's talk about money.
Yes, the price is important. I have a budget.
The rent is £800 every month.
800? That is a bit high.
Water and internet are included. You don't pay extra.
Oh, including internet is very good. I need it.
Fast Wi-Fi is expensive. Here, it is free for you.
That saves me £50, so it is okay.
What about electricity? Do I pay that?
Yes, you pay for your light. It is cheap.
The building has solar panels. It helps the price.
Solar panels? That is very modern and green.
We care about the planet. It is a good building.
How much is the deposit? Is it 1 month?
Yes, the deposit is £800. You pay once.
I get the money back when I leave.
Yes, if the apartment is clean and no damage.
I am very careful. I will not break anything.
I believe you, Tom. You look very responsible.
I have a stable job now. I can pay.
That is good for the contract. We need proof.
I have my letter from Emma. It is here.
Perfect. I will take a photo with my phone.
Can I pay with my card or cash?
A bank transfer is best. It is very safe.
I can do that tonight. I have my laptop.
Great. We can sign the papers soon.
I am very happy with the price. It is fair.
You get a great flat and a great park.
And a great agent. Thank you, Anna.
Here is the bedroom. It is very calm.
I love the window. It is small and cozy.
You can see the small garden. It has roses.
Roses are my favorite. They smell very sweet.
You can sleep with the window open. It is quiet.
No cars, no loud people at night.
No, only the wind. It is very peaceful here.
I see a big wardrobe. It has many doors.
You can put all your clothes. There is space.
I have many shirts and 3 pairs of shoes.
Only 3? You need to go shopping.
Maybe later. Now I need a bed.
A double bed fits here, or a single bed.
I want a double bed. It is more comfortable.
You can put it there, against the big wall.
I will have 2 pillows and a warm blanket.
The floor has a carpet. It is soft for feet.
I like the carpet. It is a light beige color.
We cleaned it with steam. It is like new.
I feel like I am in a hotel. It is perfect.
It is your home now. Do you like the bathroom?
I didn't see it yet. Where is it?
It is next to the bedroom. It is small.
Does it have a shower or a bath?
It has a modern shower. It has hot water.
Hot water is very important, especially in the morning.
The water pressure is strong. It is very good.
I am very satisfied, Anna. This is the one.
You want to rent it today?
Yes, I want it. Let's sign.
Let's sit at the kitchen table. I have the papers.
I am ready. I have my blue pen.
This is the contract. It has 4 pages.
Should I read everything? It is many words.
I will explain the main points. It is easy.
Okay, tell me the first point.
Point 1. The rent is for 1 year.
1 year is good. I want to stay long.
Point 2. No loud parties after 10.
I don't have parties. I like to read.
Point 3. You must pay on time, every month.
I will pay on the first day. I am punctual.
I know you are, Tom. You are very good.
And point 4. Is there a point 4?
Yes, no smoking inside the apartment.
I don't smoke. I like fresh air in parks.
Then there is no problem. Please sign here.
I am writing my name, Tom Miller.
And one more signature here on the last page.
Done. I am a tenant now.
Congratulations, Tom. You have a home in London.
I am very happy. This is a big step.
I will give you a copy. Keep it safe.
I will put it in my folder with my CV.
You are a very organized man. I like that.
I try to be. It makes life simpler.
Now, I have something for you.
Is it a gift? I love gifts.
It is the most important gift.
Is it the keys?
Yes, here are your keys. There are 2.
They feel heavy. They are real.
The big key is for the main door downstairs.
And the small silver key? Is it for this door?
Yes, that is for your new home. Don't lose them.
I will put them on a keychain, a green keychain.
That is a very good idea. Be careful, Tom.
When can I move my things? Can I start now?
Yes, you have the keys. The flat is yours.
I will bring my boxes tomorrow. My friend will help.
Is your friend strong? You have many stairs.
He is very strong. He goes to the gym.
Good. Be quiet when you move. Respect the neighbors.
I will be very quiet, like a small mouse.
A very tall mouse in a blue shirt.
I am very tall. It is true.
Here is my business card if you have questions.
Thank you, Anna. You were very helpful today.
It was my pleasure. I love my job.
I can see that. You are very professional.
Enjoy your first night here, Tom.
I will buy a pizza and sit on the floor.
Why the floor? Oh, no sofa yet.
No, the sofa comes on Monday.
A picnic on the floor is fun. It is an adventure.
It is my new adventure in London.
Good luck with everything. See you soon.
Goodbye, Anna. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye, Tom. Welcome home.
Thank you. I am so happy.